Hello, in front of me I've got Hollow Knight Silksong. In this video I'll show you how to defeat Lace. Lace has few but simple attack tactics. She can jump up and spike on you. She can push the rapier towards us, and also she can perform series of swift strikes. The best tactics against her is simply dodging and keeping distance. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.